We've improved a lot, that I can tell you for sure, from a chemistry, skills basis, and just a general understanding of the game of 3-on-3, because it's relatively new to some of us. We've improved a lot, and I'm very confident in what we're going to do. It's been challenging, but I'm confident in us.
I'm much excited about the beach games. Going to participate outside the country, representing our country. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate the government for the support, and we just want to let you know that we're going to represent you well.
Training has been fantastic, growing by the day. I think this week we found what we are looking for, and the shots are now dropping. They're now taking the advantages, what the game is giving to them, the defenses. And I think more games are exposing us to now what we expect ahead of us. So I think the game is, so far training is okay.